been screaming for another Holden versus Ford challenge, and Tuff Streeters has delivered.
But you've only got 48 hours to enter and make your decision. So which one would you choose?
Let's hop into contender number one, this 1974 HQ sedan GTS Tribute. This is where old meets new. Running an engineered 6-litre LS with Higgins heads, running a Holley EFI system, this has a reliable 550 horsepower and is also built to cruise with all the creature comforts of air conditioning, power steering and a Turbo 700 with a converter which makes it so nice to drive. In the rear we have a 9-inch with 3/7 gearing. It pretty much makes this the perfect driveline. Moving inside the car, we've got a GTS interior with houndtooth inserts. We also have a B&M shifter tucked away nicely in the original console. This car stops as good as it goes with wheelwood brakes all round, and I'm sure you'll agree the full throttle weld wheels look amazing. Now, despite all the modifications, I love the original Holden royal purple colour with the white stripes. If you do choose this car, you've certainly got yourself a true Tuff Streeter.
And for the second contender, we have this XW GT Tribute. It's running a 393 Cleveland stroker, making a healthy 600 horsepower. Feeding the engine is a Holley 750 double pumper with a high-rise manifold. Letting the engine breathe is a 4-into-1 extractors and a twin 3-inch exhaust. Backing all of that is an Al's Race Glide C4 transmission with a Stoley. Moving on to the rear is a custom 9-inch with 31 spline axles built by Hellbent. And of course, the Tuff Streeter Specials World V Series all around.
As you just heard, we've got some pretty tough contenders, and you can be choosing one of them for as little as $24.95.
But you only have 48 hours to enter and make your decision. So be sure to get your entries, click the link below, and good luck.